Alright, first step, get right behind this fin. And cut along that backbone. That's one. Then you flip it. Do the same thing right along that backbone. That's two. And you're going to take these and just slice them into chunks. Okay, so after you fillet the mackerel and you cut it into chunks, and those are probably like 2-inch long chunks. You see, after you do that, then you want to salt them down. Okay, after you salt them down, then you want to put them in the plastic bag. Okay, so after you salt them down, you want to put them in this plastic bag. Now we're going to take our minced garlic and we're going to put that on top of them in the bag. Okay, then we're going to take our I'm going to pour that vegetable oil in the bag. And that vegetable oil is going to help the bait. It's going to send that scent of the bait all throughout the lake, and they're going to come back and find that mackerel. And you get that and you shake it up, put it in the freezer, and get ready to fish.